The next menu is administration. The first is the management. The management tab is the area you're going to change the username. You can input your username. The default is blank. You can input username and the password. You have to change the password for the security of your device. After that one, apply it. Then this is the apply. If you want to back up your settings, just click backup, and if you want to restore, same thing, click restore. The next one is the reboot AP. After changing the settings, you have to click this administration and reboot AP and click reboot and wait for 16 seconds. The AP or the device will reboot. The firmware upgrade. Firmware upgrade, sometimes we experience some bugs, programming bugs, and the best thing about these bugs is you have to contact the research and development or the technical support of Kentech USA, then ask for the best firmware or about the issue you're encountering, then choose the file, then start upgrade. And if the device is updating the firmware, please do not interrupt the power or any device. Please do not touch the device. It may cause some failure if you touch or some power fluctuation. You have to be careful in upgrading. The next one is factory default. If you have some you have changed something and you cannot recall what are other settings you've changed, you have to go to the factory defaults, then restore. The best thing in configuring this device is you have to write it down and keep notes, so no need to click the factory defaults.